Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to search for one particular recipient from your PDF and PDF templates responses. So first of all we'll click on to documents, and under documents we have both the PDF and PDF templates. So first we'll check in PDFs. So click on to PDFs, and here you have all the PDFs and forms that are created inside your PDF. So practically when you think it is impossible to find one particular recipient to whom we send a particular document to, so we have come up with this new feature where you can type that particular recipient's name and click on search, and automatically the system will filter out only the templates or the PDFs that are being sent to this particular recipient. So you can check it out with any name that you want, and you can easily filter out the documents that are sent to that particular recipient alone. So likewise, when you come to PDF templates also, you have a lot of PDF templates, and for example if I click on to this particular PDF template and click on to the responses here, like there are multiple times this template has been used. So to easily find out the recipient from these responses, we can type the name and click search, and the system will just filter out only the particular response which has this recipient's data. So this feature will be really helpful when you want when you have a huge set of data and you want to filter out or search the responses based on your recipient's name or email ID, and it will save a lot of time and will help you to manage your document workflow quick and in a seamless way. Thank you.